So here's my new idea. I don't know if I should patent this, but no. Anyways, this is the new sign I created. I actually bought this sign over at Lowe's. They roughly are about $7. I bought a sign from Lowe's also. It was roughly about $7. I'm not talking about the neon orange sign, but the actual sign that goes in between it, so you're able to stab these metal wire in between them. The poster board I got at a dollar store, and that's actually per side. You can see it. Yep, there's the other side. So what I did is I got like a 2x6 or a 2x8, and I got it a treated one, which it makes it's a little bit more heavier. And what I did is I drilled some holes through it, and then I bent the wires on each side, and it actually holds the sign down pretty well. It actually held it down even at 40-mile-an-hour winds without tilting or falling over. I mean, I'm sure if there's 60-mile-an-hour winds, it might tilt it over, but it's pretty heavy, and you don't have to worry about stabbing these things into the ground or trying to find a spot to stab it into the ground. You can pretty much place it anywhere at the end of the block and just pick it up, and when you're done, and just put it away, the entire thing. It stands roughly about 3 feet tall, about 2 feet wide. I used the poster markers they sell at Walmart for around $4. These super wide markers, as you can see, it makes the writing pretty good. And then of course I use some tape to tape the sign all around the edges and stuff. And then I use the Sharpie marker for the small writing for the sale. And that's it. Just wanted to show you guys that are out there trying to make yard sale signs or garage sale signs or estate sale signs. This is actually a pretty good idea to put together fun projects, and you can reuse the signs multiple times instead of just once and throwing it away. Um, and it makes it kind of weatherproof too, so you can probably tape the whole thing all the way across if you're going to do estate sale signs or garage sale signs, um, by just taping the sign all the way across on both sides. That way it waterproofs it pretty well. And other than that, that's it. Pretty simple project. Hopefully you guys like the video, and good luck with your project on building signs. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.